Hey there everyone, my name is Julius and welcome to my first video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Pong game.
Nah, just kidding, I've prepared it for you. Here it is. Pretty exciting, right? Alright, so my real challenge for today is to make the original Pong look more modern and dynamic and fun just by changing the visuals and keeping all the initial mechanics. So let's get started! First off, we're gonna add some cool visual effects to it. Alright, I'm pretty much done. Look at this! Isn't this beautiful?
No.
Alright. Let's add some more effects to it. Alright, that was really quick because I already had it prepared, but I added some shaders and glow and screen shakes and hue, and I will show you how it works later, but here's what I got for the moment. Although I added some effects to it, it still looks really sad, right? I wonder if we can make this like a bit more fun. Alright, so if you guys want to know how hue works, like how color changes over the time, it's a function called HSL, and basically you provide the hue argument and it gives you back a color that you can change over time. Alright, so I've just added some music and it starts to look really good. It doesn't feel really real to the game itself. So what I'm gonna do is add some visual elements that are synchronized with music. Alright, so here's my update music function, and basically what it does is that it checks the music for samples and it updates the instant energy value, which is a global value, so I can use it everywhere in my code. And that's what I'm gonna use to control the visual elements that are synchronized with music. Alright, so step 2 is ready. I've just added some music and elements that are synchronized with this music. Check it out. There is a function that I would like to talk about. It's called math.lerp, and basically what it does is that instead of setting a value from, for instance, 0 to 1, it interpolates the value from one to another, which means that the value slowly goes towards the desired value, and this is what makes all your effects look way more fluid. What are you saying? Okay, so I think we are pretty much done with that. Maybe we will need to polish a few things up. Let's do this. So maybe you are wondering how I achieved those trails, like for the ball when it's moving or when the paddles are moving too. Well, simply create a trails table. On each frame I add a trail to the self.trails table, and then I am drawing them by simply going through the trails table and drawing each of the trails. Alright, new update. So I showed the controls on the main screen so that the players know how to play indeed. I've also added an introduction I've also added an introduction that says 3, 2, 1 and then the game starts. And check it out.
3, 2, 1, 0.
So here is the code for the introduction part. It's really terrible, but it works.
They see me rolling.
Alright, so I believe that we are basically done with what we wanted to do, that is Pong Remake. Check it out.
3, 2, 1, 0.
And that's it. Maybe we could add a title to our game. Let's call it Ping.
Best game ever.
Alright, let's just call it Ping or whatever you would like. Ping. And there we have it. Oh, just maybe a bit bigger. I think we're done.
Alright, so that's pretty much it for today. I'm pretty happy with how the game turned out, and I also hope that you learned some new cool tips about coding as well. The full game and all this source code is available in the description below. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you have any suggestions or game mechanics you would like me to make, please feel free to tell me. I'm totally open for any suggestions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see ya! Keep coding!